Hello, happy homemakers. Today I am bringing you along with rearranging my daughter's bedroom. I was awake. This is actually at 11 o'clock at night. Yes, I know I'm crazy, but I really wanted to rearrange it, make it look not so cluttered. I wanted to let you know too, there is a mini crib in her bedroom right now, but in a week or so it won't be in her bedroom. I just needed a temporary solution for a daycare kid that I have. I have a home daycare, and anyway, so I did all of this by myself, and it took me about an hour and a half, but it's only going to take you guys like 13 minutes. But anyway, I am the kind of person that has to rearrange often or I get bored, so you will see quite a bit of those videos on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get all of my notifications for more videos like this.
I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it.
So for those of you that don't know, my name is Bailey. I am a mama of one biological daughter that is 3, and her name is Journey. And I have 3 foster daughters. I have a 12-year-old, a almost 10-year-old, and a 5-month-old. I also run and own a home daycare in my home, obviously, and I really enjoy homemaking. Being a mother and a wife is something that I have always wanted, that has always been my goal. I wanted to be a teacher when I was a kid, but I mainly wanted to be a mommy and a wife, and I have succeeded. I am loving my life. I love being a mommy and a wife. It's everything I ever hoped and dreamed for, if not better. But I love showing you guys my life through these videos, through all the cleaning and organizing and all the things that I do to better our family and our life. And I hope that you guys enjoy all of these videos. Don't forget to subscribe to be a part of our life. I don't do vlogs on this channel, but I do have a vlog channel called The Fry Family, so make sure to go check that out if you would like to see our family. I do share clips of everybody, although our foster loves, I have to blur their faces. So
why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Now? Are you saying that to change your mind? Well, love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? Well, love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, we ain't got the time. That I'll be fine. You're seeing you around. Stayed away from falling down. But now
So yes, I am wearing the most comfortable pajamas I have ever had, ever. And I got them at Walmart. They were like $19.99 or something like that. And they are the best. I literally wear them all the time. I like wear them and then wash them and then wear them again. So I love them so much. They're so comfortable. But in case you're wondering, yes, I am wearing pajamas.
All these people in this crowd think they're all missing out. I guess they used to be me, but now I just wanna leave. I just wanna leave. 'Cause you know I really tried to put my feelings to the side. Drifted away into the tide, but now it's really bye. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know. Let go, let go, let go, let give you up. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed rearranging and cleaning her bedroom. If you're wondering why she wasn't sleeping in here at 11 o'clock, she actually fell out of her bed, and so she was sleeping on the couch. But anyway, I thought it was a good opportunity to do it and not have little hands trying to help. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.